Exactly 1 year ago tonight, we parked the van at the Luxor, made dinner, caught a Carrot Top show, and then stayed up to watch the Las Vegas icon come crashing down. This was the final night of the Tropicana. If you've ever wondered what it's like to watch a piece of Vegas history disappear, here's your front row seat, Viva Vantasy style.
There we go! Wow! towards us.
You know what? It was dark.
That was fucking
Unbelievable. My family's killing me.
That was awesome.
That was amazing. And the fireworks were better than
That was like, you think about how much that thing get put to half. Like, wow.
I go every
Oh, definitely. That was the most amazing fireworks show I've ever seen.
It was great.
We're serious!
Yeah, that's what I was like.
So just like that, in the middle of the night, the Tropicana came down in a cloud of dust and memories. 70 years of stories, gone in seconds. It's crazy to think this was just 1 year ago, and now it's all gone. But in true Vegas fashion, will be rebuilt with something new. Thanks for watching. If you love Vegas history, van life adventures, and seeing the world one memory at a time, hit that like button and subscribe. Viva Vantasy is just getting started.